So if we take into consideration the 2 additional branches, this would still be within the manageable caseload, Your Honor.
Attorney Marjorie, you
Yes, Your
mentioned
Honor.
that Kandihay issued a Sangguniang Bayan resolution as well as just yesterday, as well as what's the other municipality?
Valencia, Your Honor.
Valencia. Would the resolution include the support for the construction of court facilities?
Yes, Your Honor, including the lot and the provision of the building, Your Honor.
Lot and building to be
Yes, Your
shouldered
Honor.
by the LGU.
Yes, Your Honor.
And again, there would be no problem between 2 different congressmen
Yes, Your Honor.
representing 2 different
But
districts.
in their proposal, Your Honor, they did not include the municipalities in the second district for
Yun na nga.
Kandihay. But it's fine.
Can you reiterate that for the record? Supreme Court, may mali na naman.
Your Honor, again, the delineation of territorial jurisdiction is within the authority of the Supreme
Yeah.
Court. And upon our evaluation, RTC Kandihay would be composed of Kandihay, Anda, Alicia, Mabini, Gindulman, and Duero.
Kaandihay, Anda, Alicia, Mabini.
Gindulman and Duero, Your Honor.
Gindulman and Duero. Correct. That's part of your recommendation. But that's currently under jurisdiction of RTC Loay. Shall be transferred to the territorial jurisdiction of the proposed RTC Kandihay.
It's currently under Carmen, right, Attorney?
Under Carmen at Kandihay. So mali din, ano?
No, Your Honor.
Ha?
Some of these are under RTC Carmen and some are under RTC Luway.
So, why was Carmen not mentioned here? Attorney,
Carmen is already in the interior part, Your
No,
Honor.
because there is an existing RTC.
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
Yes, there is already an existing.
ulitin natin, ha? Ulitin natin. Carmen exercises jurisdiction over Alicia Mabini Kandihay, Anda, Bilar, Sibilla, Sierra Bullones, and Pilar. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct? Ito yung sinabi niya.
And Carmen and Butuan, yes, Your
But
Honor.
one.
And Carmen and?
But
Tuwan.
one.
Wala dito.
We will amend accordingly, Your Honor. Our apologies.
Mali na naman tayo rito, attorney. And then, Luay exercise jurisdiction over Gindulman, Duero, Hagna, Garcia Hernandez, Valencia, Dimiao, Lila, Lubok, Luay, Albuquerque, and Baclayon. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
O may kulang?
Yun na po yun, Your Honor.
So, ang mali lang, yung ginawa nyo tong sa jurisdiction ng Kandihay, hindi nyo nilagay ang Carmen.
Sir, hindi po talaga
Hindi
ilalagay
talaga
yung
kasama
Carmen,
ang
sir.
Carmen. O saan ka nag-apologize huli? Hindi nyo mali.
Sir, under the territorial jurisdiction of RTC Carmen, we omitted Carmen and Batuan.
Okay,
But
yung
it will
dalawa.
not actually affect the recommendation, Your Honor.
Can you submit a non-confusing recommendation? Yung final na. Para that will form part of the records of this committee and we'll submit that to the plenary kung mali tayo. Di ba?
Yes, we will do so, Your Honor. But may we also request that we be given ample time to prepare comments, especially when there are multiple House bills, Your Honor, if
But
Your
this
Honor
was-
can kindly consider. Thank you, Your Honor.
Last week pa raw to. Monday.
We received it on the 13th, Your Honor. If I am not mistaken. So,
February 13.
yes, Your Honor.
But just the same, the territorial jurisdiction of the RTC has been there ever since. Since Batas Pambansa 129, hindi naman mababago yun.
Yes, you are correct, Your Honor, and we are sorry.
Hindi naman nabago yung jurisdiction ng Regional Trial Court of Carmen. Yun na rin yun. Di ba? Yun na rin yung jurisdiction nun. So, the committee expects your submission when? Yung wala ng error para baka mag-iba yung court na makreate natin dito.
By next week, Your Honor.
So what about the other, ulitin ko, what about the other court? Yung, ano yung other court sa
RTC Luway, Your Honor.
Luway? O, mali na to, ha? Mali na to.
Which one, Your Honor? Which is wrong?
Yung kinikreate natin, Kandihay and Valencia. Yung page 10 nyo, nilagay nyo, Luway uli. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, yes. We will correct according.
Yun. So siguro, kung i-consolidate nyo na yung ano nyo, yung error nyo kanina sa Gensan, may error pa kayo sa Davao del Sur.
Yes, we will, Your Honor.
And then, ang dami pa nating courts na itatakel, baka mali-mali na rin yung ano, yung lumabas nito. Meron pa tayo sa Southern Leyte, sa Maasin, o Caloocan. Baka magkagulo-gulo na tong,
Yes, we will.
gugulo na tong Supreme Court. Di ba? Fiscal, wala tayong problema dito. The same comments coming from the PAO. Wala lang yung Judges Association eh. DBM,
We have no further comments, Your Honor. We will submit the request of the committee.
pag nagkamali ang Supreme Court ulit, mali pati DBM. Kasi maguguluhan na sila ng ano. Hindi natin maisip dito kung alin yung multisala court, kung alin yung single sala court. So subject to the submissions coming from the Office of the Court Administrator, the proposed bills creating additional courts in Bohol, the province of Bohol, under House Bill number 9477, sponsored principally by Congressman Chutor, is hereby approved and the same will be submitted to the plenary for its consideration. Ayusin nyo lang yung ano, yung mga position papers nyo. We have one last bill, your excuse.
Dengan
Attorney
salamat,
Marjorie.
Your Honor.
We have one last bill. House Bill number 9476. 9476. House Bill 9476. Act creating one additional branch of the Municipal Trial Court in the First Judicial Region to be stationed in the municipality of La Trinidad, province of Benguet, and appropriating funds therefore, amending for the purpose Batas Pambansa 129. This bill was sponsored by Congressman Eric Yap. I think we have a representative coming from Congressman Eric Yap.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do we have a position paper here?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Please proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Naragsak nga aldaw kada kayo amin, apo. Good afternoon to the Honorable Chairman, Senator Boss Francis Tolentino, Honorable Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, all the members of the committee, members of the House of Representatives, and all resource persons and guests present this afternoon. I am appearing on behalf of Congressman Eric Yap of the Lone District of Benguet for the consideration of House Bill number 9476, or an act creating an additional municipal trial court to be situated in the municipality of La Trinidad, province of Benguet. Currently, there is only one MTC station in La Trinidad, and based on the data from the court, there are 530 cases pending before it, which is over the ideal number of caseload of a first-level court. La Trinidad is also the provincial capital of Benguet and has a population of 137,404 based on statistics from the PSA as of 2020, which is the most populous in the province. Hence, Congressman Yap deemed it proper to have an additional municipal trial court to decongest the court cases therein and promote the speedy and judicious disposition and administration of cases. The additional MTC will be housed in a government building being constructed by the local government of La Trinidad in Barangay Wangal in La Trinidad. We now humbly come before this August committee to seek your support and the passage of this bill. Thank you once again and a pleasant morning to everyone.
Thank you. From the office of Congressman Eric Yap. May I just ask from the Supreme Court, what is the real total number of pending cases? Is it 571 or 500 or 429?
As of January 31, 2024, Your Honor, it is 515.
515. Please proceed. Yes. Dito tayo, hindi na tayo magkakamali dito kasi isang sala lang ito eh. Wala na tayong correction siguro dito. Unless malipat natin ito sa Mountain Province, which is different from Benguet. Go ahead, Supreme Court.
Your Honor, we favorably endorse this particular bill, considering that with the creation of 2 courts, it would more or less handle 257 cases per branch.
2 courts will be created or just 1 court?
No, there will become 2 courts, Your Honor.
Go ahead, go ahead.
So more or less 257 cases per branch. So that would be within the manageable caseload, Your Honor.
Even below 300, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor, but in terms of efficiency and speed, lesser number of cases would be more favorable, Your Honor.
Then since this will be a multiple sala court, there is a need for the creation of the office of a clerk of court.
Yes, Your Honor.
May we know from the representative of Congressman Eric Yap, if there is now a commitment from the municipality of La Trinidad to construct a new courthouse?
Yes, Your Honor. The building where the additional MTC will be housed is already currently being constructed. Nag-ground break po ito just last year.
Saan? Sa Municipal Hall grounds?
It will be located in Barangay Wangal in La Trinidad, sir. Not within the municipal hall grounds, but it is situated near the provincial capital and the existing Hall of Justice din po.
Okay, so it's under construction right now. So what about the existing MTC in La Trinidad? Pagsasamahin na ba yun sa bagong ginagawa o may iwan doon sa dati? I'm familiar with the place because I've been there. I've been to the vegetable trading area. I've been to that area, yung ginagawa pa yung fast food restaurant doon malapit. So will it be housed in just one location or will it be separate?
I believe the current existing MTC, Your Honor, will remain in the Hall of Justice, while the new one will be in the new government building, sir, along with other government agencies as well.
And then dahil magkakaroon ng Office of the Clerk of Court, dapat talaga magkalapit lang yon. At yung Office of the Clerk of Court, dahil dalawang salas na, dapat may opisina rin talaga siya doon para sa kanyang staff.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the Office of the Clerk of Court will have a Clerk of Court, Records Officer, Cashier, Clerk 4, Clerk 3, Junior Clerk 2, dalawang Junior Process Server, 1 Utility Worker. So marami-rami rin tong espasyo na ito. Sana madagdagan din ng space sila para bukod pa yung records. Ito yung pamparami dito, yung records, yung mga filing cabinet. So will that be housed in the new building that was recently broken?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Supreme Court, anything to add? Wala na. DBM?
No
We
further
expect your
comments.
submissions as well. Fiscals Association, Prosecutors League of the Philippines.
None, Your Honor, as long as prosecutors are added for each newly created.
So we likewise amend Section 3.
Thank you
note
very
of
much,
that.
Your
Take
Honor.
note of that, Office of Congressman Yap. Pao, no
Yes,
further
Your
comment?
Honor. Same with Pao, Your Honor.
So wala na siguro tayong other measures to be tackled. We defer consideration of the other measures in the agenda today. House Bills 9479, 9473 for Aklan, 9471 for Nueva Vizcaya, and 9478 for Negros Occidental, considering the absence of some of the proponents, and we will tackle them in the succeeding hearing. Without objections on the part of my colleagues, and due to lack of material time, the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights hearing is hereby suspended, and we thank all the resource persons who gave their time, physically as well as online, Senator De La Rosa, and all the other resource persons, the members of Congress who attended this session physically. Salamat po sa inyo. The Senate hearing of the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights is hereby suspended. And we approve the House bill creating the additional sala for La Trinidad, House Bill 9476, and the same will be submitted to the plenary for its final consideration. The Senate hearing is hereby suspended. House Bill
Thank you, Your Honor.
9476 is hereby approved. Salamat po. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat Supreme
Thank you
Court.
po.
Salamat PAO. Salamat po sa DOJ. Salamat sa DBM.